You're probably spending more time trying to deal with unsightly scratches and swirls on your car's paint than you'd like to admit. Enter the Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover, a solution that claims to make those marks disappear. With its easy scratch and swirl repair, you can fix light scratches, swirls, or other marks using the included buffer pad. This means less time staring at your car's imperfections and more time enjoying that freshly polished look. We all know the moment when you notice a scratch after washing your car. You reach for a product only to find it doesn't deliver. That's where the Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover comes in. This polishing compound is specifically designed for vehicles and is meant to tackle those pesky scratches. It's made with a specially formulated compound that allows you to easily remove years of wear and tear from your vehicle's paint. If you have very deep scratches that can be felt with your fingernail, you might want to look elsewhere though. This product resolves the classic dilemma of balancing ease of use with effectiveness. The Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover is built for everyone, whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro. Its premium chemicals ensure that you receive professional-grade results without any unnecessary dyes or scents. The first key feature is its ability to restore gloss and shine to your paint, removing swirls, scratches, water spots, and oxidation. This product will bring your paint back to its original brilliance, which means your vehicle looks as good as new without a trip to the detailer. Next up, it's safe for all paint types. The advanced solution for all paint types means you can use it on clear coat, single stage, or multi-stage paint, allowing you to tackle various finishes without worry. You're not limited by paint type, which gives you the freedom to apply it to multiple vehicles if needed. However, it's important to note that this product is primarily designed for light scratches. If you're dealing with deeper scratches, you might want to consider a different approach. Most people will find this product sufficient for their needs, but it's worth keeping in mind. This channel regularly breaks down products just like this one, providing real insights based on specifications rather than marketing fluff. Looking at the listing, it emphasizes the ease of use and the advanced solution for all paint types, clearly targeting anyone frustrated with their car's appearance. What's conspicuously missing from the listing is a clear mention of how it performs on deeper scratches, which makes you wonder if it's a limitation they're hoping you won't notice. Now, is it worth it? You might be wondering about the long-term value. While the initial cost may seem reasonable, consider what it offers in durability. The premium chemicals and the thoughtful formulation suggest a product built to last. Instead of frequently buying cheaper alternatives that don't hold up, investing in this could save you money in the long run. The real question isn't just about affording it once, it's about whether you want to keep replacing the cheaper options repeatedly. The link is in the description so you can check what it is sitting at right now and decide if the timing works for you.